Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the Audi A6 on a level surface and setting the parking brake. Disconnect the 12V negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and airbag faults, then wait 5 minutes for systems to discharge. Gather tools, T20 Torx driver, 10mm socket, flat trim tool, and small flashlight. Keep a magnetic tray for about 10 to 15 screws and plastic clips. Label connectors with masking tape, and take photos of dashboard trim orientation to simplify reassembly later. Use the flat trim tool to gently pry the dash trim starting at the top left edge, working around to release plastic clips. Be patient to avoid breaking tabs. Remove 2 T20 Torx screws hidden behind the climate control trim, then slide out the ashtray and remove one 10mm bolt beneath it. Carefully pull the center panel forward to access wiring. There are typically 3 electrical connectors to unplug for hazard lights, climate controls, and the cigarette lighter. Place removed parts on a padded surface in order. Once the center panel is clear, locate and remove 4 T20 Torx screws that secure the MMI module. Keep screws in order. Pull the MMI unit straight out 3 to 4 inches until you can access the rear connectors. Press the small release tab on each multi-pin harness and disconnect both data cables, then gently remove the antenna coax connector by pulling it straight off. Inspect connector pins for damage or corrosion, replace broken clips if needed, and reverse the removal steps to reinstall before reconnecting the 12V battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.